Hi guys, welcome to our channel. So we are back again with some of the job updates. Today all the job updates will be from the software development side. So stay tuned. The very first job is from Google, that is software engineering intern for winter 2022. So 2023 as well as 2022 pass outs can apply for this. So the last date for this application to be filled is 27th August 2021, and the minimum qualifications required are you should be having a bachelor's degree, and you should be having an experience in software development, and any one of the strong coding languages, that is C, C++, Java, JavaScript, or Python. Preferred qualifications will be you should be knowing data structures and algorithms well, and you should be have been worked with the web application development, Unix, Linux environment, and mobile applications. The next job update is from Amazon. It's offering a programming analyst role. So the basic qualification is the person should be pursuing BTech from computer science, information technology, and should be a grad of 2021. He should be strong in C, C++, or Java, have a knowledge of Unix, Linux. The next job is also from Amazon, but it's from Amazon Web Services, that is software development engineer, and 0 to 2 years of experience people can apply for it. Coming to the basic qualification, you should be having a programming experience in Java, C++. You should be having non-internship professional software development experience of 0 to 2 years. And you should be knowing data structures, object-oriented designs, and you should be having problem-solving skills. The preferred qualification is 1 year of experience from any renowned industry in software development, and also experience in cloud services of AWS, like Lambda, CloudWatch, etc.
Okay, so far we've covered jobs from major tech companies like Google and Amazon offering really good packages because it does play a major role in determining where you're going to end up, right? And honestly, we all just want a lifestyle upgrade, no matter how small it is. It could even be a change of atmosphere, like painting my room yellow or buying a coffee scented candle. Because at the end of the day, nothing else matters, and you matter. And you know what? You deserve good incentives and paid holidays. But all of this can only take place if you have a company that values you, a company that lets you take time off for your mental health and doesn't overwork you, a company that pays you well and helps you achieve the lifestyle you want to achieve. And you know the best part, you can get all of this too. All you got to do is join Relevel, and with Relevel, it becomes 100 times easier to find a company that matches your lifestyle and comes with a job profile best suited for you. So the Relevel test will score and grade your skills. It's like a portfolio that is personalized for your dream companies. You can find companies that match your vision and choose from more than 50 companies hiring for over 1,000 positions. And Relevel takes you to the next level in your life where you don't have to climb 1,000 stairs just to get a breather and earn well. And the best part is that these tests are absolutely free. You can simply register for the Relevel test in just 5 steps. So you sign up on relevel.com, select the test of your choice. You can either choose from BDE, BED, or FED, that is front end, back end, and business development. Book a slot where you want to give the Relevel test. Slots are limited, so I suggest you book it fast and create a neat video resume. You can talk about yourself, your experience, and your career aspirations. And the video resume should be submitted within 24 hours after selecting the slot to confirm the slot. Click the submit button and confirm your slots for the tests. So, all the rounds of the test will be completed in a single day, and you will get your scores in a few days. Also, do keep in mind that you need to score more than 700, which will be the qualifying criteria. And you can retake the test within 30 days if you didn't meet the qualifying criteria.
Also,
Acha.
higher the score, more companies will approach to you. So keep your score greater than 800 or 900. The next job is from Siemens. It's offering the role of software engineering associate. So as such, no requirements are mentioned that which year is applicable, but they are looking for candidates having wide variety of software skills, which include C++, data structures, algorithms, graphs, compilers, computer architecture, computational geometry, multi-threading, and distributed computing. The next job update is from Cisco. It's offering software engineering in cloud application development for new grads. So the requirement, so they are looking for a grad who is in his final year and doing computer engineering, computer science, electrical engineering, or related to a branch related to maths or physics. The minimum GPA is 8.5 or higher, and they only require 2022 pass outs. And you should be having a solid understanding of computer fundamentals, algorithms, data structures, and you should be having good problem solving skills. The next job update is from Citibank. It's offering a Java development role, and the qualifications required is 0 to 2 years of relevant experience in managing and implementing successful projects. Along with this, as it is Java development, you should be proficient in Java. You should be also having management and leadership skills. The education is you should be requiring a bachelor's degree or equivalent experience degree. Also, Citibank's replies in within 2 or 3 days, so you did not need to wait for long to get the status of your application. So guys, all the links to these jobs will be in the description box below. Along with this, we have our Telegram channel. Its link is also in the description box below. You will get all the latest notifications about jobs, our next placement interview series, and vlogs update on that Telegram channel. And there is a form too. So if any one of you is interested in giving interview on our channel in our placement interview series, can fill up the form and we will contact you.
So, guys, I hope you liked today's video. In the outro, we also will be attaching our previous videos, so previous job updates. So, don't forget to check that out as well, because all the jobs are still open. The registrations haven't closed in yet, so you can still apply for those. Do check that video as well. Thank you.